While Saturday's attack by the Maoists has not only exposed the terror within the country but also those who sympathize with them. Sources have told Times Now that Centre is now planning to crack down on activities of Maoist sympathizers in the wake of Darbar Ghati massacre.
Darbar Ghati attack has exposed not only the Maoist terrorists for their cold-blooded murders but also their sympathizers.
See, this is an expression of a terrible anger, and in the process one feels that maybe a number of people who have nothing to do with the whole thing also died.
Unable to hide their sympathies for the Maoists but not able to acknowledge their cowardly crimes.
So we want the government of India and government of Chhattisgarh, we want them to hold restraint, to not now begin any kind of reaction of another spate of violence, because it's only going to be a bloodbath.
But now they will have to watch what they do, as the centre is planning a crackdown on those sympathizing with the Maoist killers.
MHA sources have told Times Now that the centre is now going to put the Maoist sympathizers on the scanner. This after the Darbar attack. MHA sources also telling us that the centre is going to convene a meeting of all the chief ministers of the Naxal-affected states soon, and in this meeting there is going to be a special session on Maoist sympathizers, their activities and on how they are providing assistance to the underground CPI Maoist cadres.
A warning to those who have been in denial about the Red Terror and continue to mock Indian democracy.
If you are in a war, you cannot expect that all time you will win. You may lose sometime, they may gain sometime.
But unless the Maoist sympathizers shake off their blinkers, they will never know the pain of who's who are suffering at the hands of Maoist terror. With Prema in New Delhi, Sagarika Mitra for Times Now.